Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President ka Bharatiya Janata Party pa Ernest Mauri mentakas ngi kashitari ujamang arhajar arpulai habakran halor ka Jingkren jong MLA ka penthor umkra constituency ba EL hek banjiet President thamai hapo ka Seng ulong baka ek bakran uba hek kadei Tang Jingkren Shimet namar ka samoy traikam jong President hapo ka Seng kadei Tang arsnem uba Mauri ulong ru baka samoy jong ukum President ru kalakut nadu ubnai kalalingkot jong mentau snem Handai ka BJP kalapanaw ka Central Executive Committee ha Delhi, hagabaw Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, ulapan bana bagandan ka Jingpanyar ha kasamoy tray jong kakam National President hadu ubanay Jilio Arhajar Arpusaw. Shu ba Mauri ulaong ru ba tat hadu bakinong yalam barang ba kaseng BJP ken panbanay ya kaban Jied yung National President kaseng Hamighalya kampala ban Jied yung President.
I have completed my term, 3 years, as prescribed in the constitution of the party. It depends on the party. I cannot give statement that I will continue or discontinue. That decision will take by the central leader. As I have already informed you that even the term of the national president has been extended from 13 January 2023 to 24 June 2024.
Don't you think you should owe moral responsibility as concluded assembly election?
We have been well. We have fought 60 seats and our vote share has gone up. All the candidates has been working hard to win. You say election is election. There's only two parts.
But we have only 2 MLAs. The party has not increased numbers.
The mandate of the people they have not given us. So it depends on the people in our state. They have voted for others party. Again, back to square, we have 2 MLA now. Given by EL head, our MLA and minister today, it is his personal statement. The term of the president of the BJP, it is 3 years, not 2 years. So, my term is already over. And in the month of January, 13 January 2023 this year, we have the Central Executive Committee, National Executive Committee held in Delhi, where the Honorable Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has announced for extension the term of the National President GP Nadaji till 24 June 2024, made after the election. Unless the center announced the election of the national president, we cannot hold election. So I think he's very wrong in that statement. And I think you all remember, Bahek has been the president of the party in the year 2003 till 2006. 3 years gap. So it's not 2 years. I want to correct that.